This is the story of the modern peach, designed and sculpted by Gregory Johnson. On New Year's Eve in 2015, I sat with my wife Jane and friends Vic and Gail, bringing in the new year. Somehow, this evening, we ended up talking about how Atlanta needed a peach sculpture. We grabbed a pear out of the fruit basket and began cutting it up. It was our first effort at the modern peach. After all, we are the peach state. Atlanta needed a peach, and it had to be spectacular. In the coming months, I would make many modifications to the design, simplifying the forms until I got it perfect. Perfect came to me at 4 a.m. This would become a pattern. Problem, sleepless night. Answer at 4 a.m. Dragged my bones out of bed at 7. Former UGA coach Vince Dooley made an introduction for me to Gary Stokan, CEO of the Georgia Peach Bowl. Gary loved the concept, and it was perfect timing for his 50th anniversary with the Chick-fil-A Peach Bowl. The location is just a block away from the new Mercedes-Benz Stadium in the East Plaza of the Georgia World Congress Center. It took over 175 artisans, engineers, and craftspeople to design, engineer, and build the peach. Miles of welding rods, thousands of sanding discs, and hundreds of hours would go into this construction. James is the one you see in the wheelchair. He was the lead welder and problem solver. 2 years after the pear turned into a peach, at 4:30 a.m., under the cover of darkness, a caravan of cars, trailers, and semi-trucks carried this most unusual load. We cleared the bridges by the DOT mandated height of 13 feet 6 inches. It was a nerve-wracking transport. Our drive was 1 hour, but it seemed like a lifetime. This morning, it would take 16 hours to boom over the pieces and assemble our gleaming new 6-ton work of art. The road was closed down. Orange cones and barricades were everywhere. The 25-ton crane creaked the beams an inch one way, half an inch back, as we sleeved our finger-sized guide pins into the holes of the base. Any of the artwork pieces could take your hand off with one slip-up or slightest mistake. Once bolted down, we moved on to the next piece. State-of-the-art LED lighting was added and plaques recognizing the donors were installed. Atlanta has its Olympic rings, its MLK statue, its falcon, and now its peach. My tallest and most complex sculpture to date, standing proud at 27 feet 6 inches. My hopes are that you will love it and embrace it. I want it to be an inspiration to you as you look up to it and bring a smile to your face. Thank you so much.